Row Zero is a spreadsheet for big data that securely connects to your data warehouse. In this video, we'll show how to import and export data between your spreadsheet and your data warehouse. To get started, I've opened a new workbook and I'll connect to Snowflake by clicking the data icon in the top right. I'm going to insert a connected table, so select my database and schema, write a simple query, and click Run. This is going to query Snowflake for this flights dataset. It's 25 million rows of US flights data over the last 4 years. The data comes into this connected table, which offers a condensed view of the data, but all of the data is here. From here, it works just like Excel and Google Sheets, so I can filter and sort, I can write Excel compatible formulas, pivot, chart, etc. And as you can see, my data goes through June of 2025. And now I want to add the July data, so I downloaded the July file from the US Department of Transportation, and I want to append it to this data set and then write it back to Snowflake. So I'm going to explode the table, control down, and you can see I'm on row 25 million or so, and I'm going to import the July file. So let me select that from my machine. Here's the July flights data set, and it's going to import into the existing sheet in this specific cell. Click import, and I'll just get rid of the header row. And now my data is now through July. So I can select all of this, go to export to, select Snowflake, and I'll just select my database and schema, and then each table name must start with RZ to prevent overwriting any original tables you bring to the platform. But I can overwrite this flights 25 dataset. Just click export, and this is going to export this dataset back to Snowflake, and it's going to overwrite it with the July data. I can also export pivot tables and connected tables. So let me turn this into a quick pivot table, show how to write that back. So I'll put this pivot table on a new sheet. Just look at flight delays by month. So I'll pull delay to values, pull average. And to write back a pivot table or a connected table, all you do is just right click and go to export to. Again, select your source, select your database and schema. I'll just call this RZ underscore pivot test and click export, and this will write this pivot table back to Snowflake. So as you can see, Row Zero makes it very easy to build out a connected spreadsheet and export spreadsheet data to your data warehouse. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.io and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.